Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use Airtel USSD code for quick balance check. Step 1. Open your phone dialer. After unlocking your phone, you open the phone app. Make sure your Airtel SIM is active and has network coverage before dialing any USSD code. Step 2. To check your Airtel balance, dial *310# and tap the call button. Your current airtime balance will appear on your screen within a few seconds. Step 3. Check your data balance. To see your remaining data, you dial *323# and tap the call button. Airtel will display your active data bundles, remaining data balance, and data expiry date after clicking on the option Data Balance. Then after a few minutes, Airtel will send an SMS message confirming your details. Step 4. View your bonus balance. If you have promotional bonuses, that's *310*1# and press code. This displays your available bonus airtime and data where applicable. Step 5. Save the USSD code for faster access. To avoid memorizing the code, save them in your contact or phone number.